respond to 50 Alfred Street West. It's going to be for the Huron County Housing Building. Again, that's 50 Alfred Street West for a Zone 1 general fire alarm between Edward Street and Mini Street. Key holders are pending. Attention North Huron Wingham Station, please respond to 50 Alfred Street West between Edward Street and Mini Street. You're responding for a Zone 1 general fire alarm at the Huron County Housing Building. Again, that's 50 Alfred Street West. It's currently August 4th, 9:03:29.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges page for the wing station. Wing station responding shortly.
Roger, car 4, you're acknowledging the page for Wingham Station. Just be advised, the alarm company will be paging out an alarm specialist to that location as well. Page acknowledged at 9:04. Car 4, did you copy that update?
Yeah, roger. That alarm specialist will be paged as well. Is there a contact for Huron County as well?
That's negative. Their key holder was another alarm company. They did not provide us any contact for the housing building.
Roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 4.
Go ahead.
Can you just confirm the address of that Huron County Housing Building?
10-4, we were provided with 50 Alfred Street West.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 1 responding, Bravo +3.
Roger, engine 1, you're responding, Bravo +3. It's 9:07:07.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 1.
Go ahead.
Can we confirm that this is east or west?
The alarm company told me west. You could check east if you have negative results, but again, they advised me 50 Alfred Street West.
Bravo, call car 4. Go ahead, car 4. We're headed east now. Yeah, roger that. This shows up as 50 Albert Street. Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 4. Put you on location 50 Albert Street.
Fire dispatch copies the update.
Dispatch, you can show engine 1 on scene. Bravo, be command and mobile.
Roger that. Engine 1 on scene, Bravo and command and mobile. It's 9:09.
Fire dispatch, call ladder 2.
Go ahead, ladder 2.
You can show ladder 2 responding, 2 firefighters belted.
Roger that, ladder 2, you're responding with 2 on board. It's 9:09:52.
Dispatch, you can also show ladder 2 on scene.
Roger that, ladder 2 on scene at 9:10.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Be advised, we have no alarms, we have nothing showing.
We're just trying to get some information.
Roger that, no alarm, nothing showing, you're investigating, it's 9:10:48.
Car 4, car 2.
Go ahead, car 2, this is car 4.
Yeah, we've gained access to this building. Do you need the door code for that one?
Negative. There was green lights on the panel that I could see. You can also show that there's a Huron County facilities guy just pulled up here as well.
Yeah, roger that. You can report, Jim. We have nothing alarming at 50 Alfred. Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show we have gained access to 50 Alfred Street, Huron County Housing. We have no alarms, nothing showing, and we also have a key holder on site as well.
That's Roger, you gained access. There are no alarms, there's nothing showing, and you have key holder on site. It's 9:17:41. Fire dispatch to ladder 2. Ladder 2, go ahead.
You can show ladder 2 clearing scene, heading back to station.
That's Roger, ladder 2, you're clearing scene, returning to station 9:22:32.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show scenes being left with on-site worker. Command is terminated. All units return to Wingham Station.
Roger that, command. Scene being left with on-site worker. Command is terminated. All units are returning to Wingham Station at 9:24:45.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1.
Unit calling, go ahead.
You can show all units back at hall, back in service in Wingham. Could you clear off this incident, please? And thanks for your help.
That's Roger, all units back at hall, back in service. Time is 9:27:42. Thanks for your help. Have a good day.